This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB.
What was easy for me was to get people to like my product. That was easy because I am confident that it's good. I have a family filled with critics. So even before I take out a product, I know if it's going to be a hit or not. That was easy. To me, accepting feedback was also easy on my end. Whether it's good or I don't think I've received any bad feedback so far, but things to improve on. It was easy for me to accept those because I think that's how I can grow my business. That's how I could make the business better, even my products better. If I would point out things that were tough on my end in starting the business, one would be sustaining momentum. Again, when I opened the business, it was the perfect time because everyone's at home. It was easy for them to see you on social media, but sustaining that kind of momentum was actually hard. Like especially now that businesses like big businesses in the malls are starting to open up already. Getting your traffic, your consistent traffic, even on social media was hard. Also, getting reliable suppliers was also difficult. I would bake apple pies, and even the quality of the apples that I need, I can't just get it, from anywhere. But at the same time, I have to make sure that my costings are would still make me profit somehow. So yeah, that's second. And I guess the third hard thing is managing, keeping up with bulk orders. Since I'm doing everything on my own, I guess getting enough time to still sleep and rest.
There were a lot of bulk orders, Nicole.
Oh yeah. I would get I said, from baking like 10-12 trays of brownies in a day. When I launched the apple pie and the cinnamon rolls, I would have to balance orders for all those three. So managing that was also difficult, but because I have to ensure that the quality of what I'm bringing would still be good.
That's how high the demand is for food products, specifically for sweets.
For sweets,
I personally love apple pies, and what's the other one? Cinnamon rolls are really my thing. And the first thing that I will do after this is to make sure that I become a customer of Yellow Baker Bug.
Thank you.
And you mentioned what was easy is for people to like your product. You were really mentioning about the timing. You did something at the right time. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.